Question 8a about the Foucault pendulum is, what is the length of this pendulum? In our last problem, we found out that the period of the Foucault pendulum was 16.96 seconds. And we are looking for the length of the pendulum, and that's going to be in meters. The equation I'm going to use is called the pendulum equation. Period equals 2 times pi, the square root of parentheses length over g, which stands for gravity. Now I don't have it in the givens here, but because I'm a good physics student, I know that that is 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay, let's replace numbers for letters. Period is 16.96 equals 2 times pi times the square root of, I don't know what L is, but I do know that gravity is 9.8. Okay, eventually I want to take the square root, or get rid of the square root. But before I do that, I'm going to move the pi over to the left-hand side. So I'm going to divide the right side by 2 pi. And I do that so I cancel. But whatever I do to the right, I have to do the left as well. So I'll divide this side by 2 pi. When I do this math, I get a result of 2.69916, and that equals the square root of parentheses L divided by 9.8. Now I want to get rid of this square root, so I'm going to do something tricky. I'm going to take the square of it. That's the opposite of taking the square root, and whatever I do to the right, I have to do to the left as well. When I take the square of 2.699, I get 7.2854737 equals L over 9.8. In order to get the 9.8 out of the denominator, I'm going to multiply by 9.8 on the right side, and I'm going to multiply by 9.8 on the left side, and these cancel. L equals 71.39764 meters. So I could say L equals 71.40 meters.